Ceiling fans make you more comfortable in all seasons using less energy. You can install a ceiling fan to help make your home more comfortable and efficient. Ceiling fans work in the summer by moving air across your skin, which helps you feel cooler. Now in the winter, the blade direction can be reversed to pull cool air up to the ceiling, where it mixes with and distributes warm air more evenly in a room. In both cases, the fan reduces the need to run an air conditioner or a furnace, saving you energy and making you more comfortable at the same time. Installing a ceiling fan is pretty straightforward. Just remember to shut the power off to the circuit where you'll be working. Now, I removed the light fixture in the room where I'm going to put my ceiling fan, and that's an easy way to add a ceiling fan to any room.
Attach the mounting plate to the ceiling. Ceiling fans can be heavy, so make sure to anchor the plate through the drywall and into a joist. Next, hang the ceiling fan motor temporarily on the hook so you can make the electrical connections. In this case, red to black, white to white, and green to green. Mount the motor to the plate and secure the ceiling trim. Next, install the fan blades. Then, attach the light shroud. Plug in the connector and install the light. The finishing touch is the frosted light lens. Don't forget to turn the power back on. Newer fans come with a remote control, which can save the extra work of installing a wall switch. This fan also has an efficient LED light, so you'll save energy on multiple levels.
See, with a few tools and a little know-how, you can install a ceiling fan to help make your home more comfortable and efficient.